Welcome to this training. Okay, in this training, I will be showing you guys how to create Google blog page. In this Google blog page, you will not only that, I will show you how to create a Google blog account. From there, you will create a blog page. So it's very simple to do. Everything, all the setup, all the requirements will be done here. All right, so let's get started. So what you have to do is you go to open your what you have to do first is to you open a web browser. Currently I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, open a web browser and you have to log in first into your Google account. Like for now I will say you can log into your Gmail in the Google Chrome. If you have logged in, no problem, but you just like Gmail login. Okay, that is what you do to log into your Gmail account. After which you click, then you now sign into your Gmail account, and you sign in with your email and password. That's the thing that you have to do. But for now, I've done the login stuff. So the name you are seeing on the screen is Godwin SZ. Okay, that is I'm fully logged in as a user. So after you have logged in, the next important thing to do is to open another tab. Okay, or better still, in the login page you can click, there's a button on the top right corner, button, like a rectangle, dotted rectangle. Okay, like a squared button, sorry. So you click on it, close to the image, you click on it, you will see all the Google apps. You see Google apps on the pop-up section of it. So you see uh, Google apps, different Google apps like Google Finance, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Books. So now the one we are going to click is Google Blogger. This the Blogger one. Okay, but if you have, it's not really much that you will log into your Gmail before you get this. Okay, I will simply show another. Before I continue, I will simply show you how to do it if I already logged in on your email. Just open, you have a browser that you have already logged in your email inside it. Okay, the way to do it, I'll just open another new tab. So what you need to do is just type Google on it. So when you start typing google.com, it will take you there. So it will just take you to a Google search page, Google search page. So it will take you there to the home screen of Google. So there on the top right corner of the screen, close to the image section. So image position. So there's a dotted squared button there. So you will click on the dotted square button. A pop-up section will open. All the pop-up section holds all the Google products like Google Map, Google YouTube, Google Play, Google News, Google Gmail, Google Meet, Google Chat, Google Contacts, and the rest of it. So you will now go down to Blogger, Google Blogger. That's one you click on. When you click on Google Blogger, it will open as I've clicked on my. Also, it will tell you this is the Google Blogger page. So, what's the difference between blogging and because I was supposed to say this before now, but let me just summarize, give it a small talk on it. So, with the difference between blogging and website. So, but the simple difference between blogging and website is that a blog is a lifetime update. That's different. The lifetime update. While a website, you have to write programs and they are using what's it called? Using CSS and HTML to create a website. Okay, then before you now host it on the server, before it becomes online. So, and if you want to do an update, it's not live. You have to do an update offline before you now click on the publish section on your cPanel before you update. But in Google Blogger, it's just a lifetime. Immediately you can just open your phone and start to write content inside it. So a blogger is something that even anything that is happening in your environment, you can actually update the information on what's happening within your environment inside your blog page. So then you don't need extra materials to do changes in your blog page. But in websites, you have to calm down and do some changes and upload it on the server. So, but the blogging is totally different. So, website is actually a little bit advanced than blog. Okay, well, I'm a web developer and ICT specialist, so I will. For now, let's not bring that into this our training. We have a section for that. For now, we are talking about blogging. So have it in mind that blogging is a live update, like a real life update. You can have changes at any time, at any point in time, on what is happening in the environment. So let's continue. So down it's now tells you that that is when we click on the Google blog button doing from the pop-up section. So it takes us to this place, and here you will see it will ask you to create your blog. So one thing about blog is that blog is attached to your email. Google blog is attached to your email. Google account. So a blog account is attached to your email. In your blog account, you can create a blog page, okay, for it. So this is our blog account. You have to create your blog account. So now you have to click on create button. When you click on the create button, it is loading. Let's wait for it to load completely. As it has opened, like I said earlier, it is attached to your Gmail account. So one Gmail account, one blog account. So that's what it's attached to. So you can have different blog page in a blog account. Okay, so that's one thing. So like now you use the existing email and create our blog account. So I will select the first one, Godwin Eze. So when I select it, I will still speak the password related to the email. So as it is loading, so it will ask me to, now the blog section has opened. It asks me what is the blog account name that I want to create. So my blog account name, I will just type it Nigeria election. Okay, I will let me just use a simple one. H E G in capital letter. So that's I'll use HED to do that. So once I've used HED to do that, so that now it asks me, I will click on the next button. Okay, click on the next button. So this is asks me the URL address of my blog page. This is now asking me the URL address of the blog page. So I will select. This is now asking me about the blog page. The URL, I will just select type HEGD okay .blogspot.com. So this is how. Okay, it's asking me. Sorry, this blog address is not available. So I will look for something longer than this. So I will use a holy egg gold diamond. So I will use holy egg gold diamond . So one way I sent this link to on the browser or on the internet, it will open my blog page. So once I do this, it will ask me to this web address. This web address is how people will find your blog. Choose a URL for elements. So one thing about it is that when you are typing, please don't allow space at the name. So because the reason why it was showing it wasn't working before is because of the space that is within the text field area. So don't allow space to exist when you are typing the address. So After which I click next button, then it will ask me display name, the name that will display as the blog owner, the name that will display as a blog owner. So I will go to the name section and pick the same edge. Pick the same edge. I'll say pick the same edge. So when I pick edge, I'll go to click next, finish. So it's now creating my blog account for me. Okay, meanwhile, while creating a blog account, at the same time, it is creating at least one blog page. Take notes. While creating a blog account, it is at the same time creating one blog page. Okay, like this is the first blog page that I just opened, so I can still post new content inside that page, or I will create another new blog account, another new blog account into another new sub blog account into this blog account. So this blog account, that is my total in my entire blog account. You can create different blog pages for it, so and post content inside it. So I can post content inside this existing blog page, or I can still create a new blog. So, but have it in mind that when you are creating a blog account, one blog page, that one blog page is created automatically when you are creating a new blog account. So, but you can create another new blog page new blog page from the existing one. You can create as many as blog page that you want and post content inside it. So I will using the default one created by the account. So that is the edge. So this edge is the one that is being created. So anytime I want to, okay, so let's go back to there. So I will stop here. Then in the next section of the video, I will stop here. In the next section of the video, I will show us how to set up our blog page. Now we have created a blog account, I will show us how to set up a blog page. So thank you very much. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.